How are you today?
Okay, so now put your fingers right here in your throat. Say, how are you today?
How are you today?
And we did this last time, so you can go up if you want. How are you today?
How are you today?
Your larynx moves around your throat. So you have a physical sensation on your hand about that. Now, how about if you take your hand off, can you still feel something in your throat? How are you today? That something moves?
How are you today?
Slight bit,
Yeah.
maybe, but not as much with your hand,
Yeah.
right? This is a good feedback, right? So now how about if we did, how are you today? And you try to keep the space that is being created from your lips all the way to your throat. How are you today? Which means you'll talk really funny. Okay.
How are you today?
So, yeah, see if you can go all the way to today. How are you today?
How are you today?
So that feels different than, how are you today?
How are you today? Yeah.
So, is there anything that you feel specifically in your mouth or your throat that's different?
It feels more airy.
Aha, so you feel more air kind of whooshing through your mouth. Anything else about the space?
It feels like it has more space.
Feels like it has more space when you do the blowfish?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm back. All right, so we're going to do that blowfish thing, and we're going to do it on a pitch pattern that goes like this. Oh, I got my cheeks going. Takes a lot of energy. Try. Great. Good. Set up a little talk on. Good. Good. One more little puff of your cheek. Very good. Excuse me. Okay, so now we're gonna kind of coo like a baby. Say, ah.
Ah.
Great. So something like, ah. Try.
Ah.
Yep. All right. So, are you experiencing something different, a physical sensation in your body? Because now you're starting to get a little quieter. You're starting to smile a little bit more. Something's happening in your brain. As we get higher, can you tell me what's happening?
It sounds weird.
Okay. So when we start to sound weird, our brain goes, that sounds weird, and then we're not sure we want to make that sound anymore. And so we start to get quieter because we think it sounds weird. So the muscles that are used in making high pitches, the muscles that are used in making high loud pitches, they tend to be the weaker set of muscles in our throat. So in order to work them out and get them stronger, we'll have to make really weird sounds to get them there. So naturally, in nature, when you're living your life, you will make some of these sounds, but you will do it in